everybody, Nikki White here, and today I'm going to be unboxing one of my Christmas gifts, which is the Pop Mart Molly Hello Kitty figurine. And in preparation for this video, I have my pink hair, I have my Hello Kitty earrings, I have, shameless plug, my glitter bones, pins, hat, beret. I think she's also wearing a hat and she has pink hair, so not gonna lie, a little bit concerned about this box because I don't know if you can see, it's like indented, so I hope that the figurine inside is okay. I think this figurine came out December 22nd, so my boyfriend ordered it for me right before Christmas, so it obviously wasn't here 3 days after. Shipping time was quick, just wasn't here in time for Christmas. Let's hope she's not destroyed. I like how the box says, please handle with care. But then this. Okay. Oh, hopefully she's got lots of padding. Ooh, she's so cute. So the official name, Molly by Hello Kitty. I don't know if I've done it on my YouTube, but if you follow me in general, you know that I love Molly and I love Hello Kitty. I have a few Molly figurines either from blind boxes or the big ones that I've collected from Hong Kong. First thought, box looks great. I'm probably gonna fold it up and keep it because I have a problem. Action figure. So I don't know if she might be posable actually. Oh, I think she is. She looks like she has ball joints. Here is the box. Okay, let's open the actual box. Oh, so she even has like replaceable hands and stuff. So yes, she is articulated. You can see there. Got the hands, the stand. Oh, see, I knew I wore overalls for a reason because she has overalls. And like, I didn't really look at the size of this figurine. I just kind of sent it to my boyfriend as like a hint, this would be great for Christmas. And that's where I left it. So I'm hoping she kind of fits in with my other two, which are on the bigger side. Like they're not blind box size. They're large, but they are not articulated. So I'm not too sure. Oh, yes. She's tiny. I'm gonna take her out of the package and show her proper. Oh my gosh. Okay, first of all, is this not a dream couch? Like, I want to be chilling with some friends on this couch. Can we get this in human, in me size, please? And then another plush accessory is her little hat. Look at that. Oh my gosh. If I had like a hedgehog or something, put that on him. This would not fit on the boys, although I could just... So then we have the stand in here with the, I don't know, holder. How many layers? Okay, the plot thickens. Okay, I have to be careful with her hands. So here are her different little hands. She's like, okay. And then she has a pointing finger, like a fist. They're so tiny. A little peace sign. And then just like a little grabby fist. She has adorable Hello Kitty shoes. They look like little Doc Martens. Okay, this might be the best part, and I want this again in real life. It reminds me of some bags that I have. Kind of like my Angelic Pretty one behind me. Slash bags that I make for my store. Shameless plug. Look at this. That is my Pinky plushie guy. Adorable. Molly herself. Oh my gosh. Ooh, yes, she is quite articulated. So you can see we have matching outfits on today. She has ball joints in her feet, knees, and her wrist so you could switch out. Her little overalls. Her neck. Now, I don't know if you guys have seen like the Nendroid figurines. I have 2 of the Zelda ones. You can actually switch their faces out, which is kind of funny because you're like, pull their face out and put different expressions. So it would have been kind of cool if this came with that, but I guess Molly doesn't really have many expressions, so that checks out. Definitely she's got to wear her hat because that's kind of what like sells this. Look, we're twins. I've got my hat, she has her hat, we have our overalls. Look how cute she is. So I don't know if the other products I have this, which is just like a little card, but it's a little certificate of authenticity. I think this might be new because my other ones are definitely authentic, but they do not have this card. They also weren't Pop Mart. It was just like Molly, whatever toy company made the toys. So I guess this is a new thing that comes in the Pop Mart ones. This might actually be the best part. Sorry, the base of the toy has storage. Like that kind of creepy, just like hands in there, but that's amazing because you don't have to like keep the box. We definitely have to put her shoes on. She's not gonna be walking around barefoot. There's like a little slit in the back just to get her shoes in easier. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. There we go. She's got her little boots on. I'm not used to having articulated toys actually. Usually I just have like the figurines, so this is kind of funny. Hope her shoes stay on. She's gonna be just like chilling on her couch. So I guess you could also pose her on her stand so I can, you know, have her standing. Something like this with her bag. If you guys have any Molly figurines, let me know which ones you have down below. Like I said, I'm my fair share. I definitely prefer the larger Molly figurines like this one or like the ones I have that are not articulated. They're just like a work of art. The blind box ones are cute, but I just feel like they don't have that extra like oomph factor to them. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Okay, see you, bye.